We found a connection between Alice Go and Cassandra Leong. A definite connection that was found by our people.
Tapos, sir,
which means that Bamban and Porac are closely related. And remember that despite all the denials of former Secretary Roque, it appears that they're really intimately related.
Sir, yung latest information, sir, kung nasa na po siya, ano na po ba, sir, yung naiabot po sa inyo?
Well, the news is there in Indonesia, and we have verified reports already on this matter. But our people are working on this matter right now.
Sir, kinonfirm po ni Secretary Abalos na hawak na daw po sa Indonesia si dalawang babae nakasama ni Alice Go, possibly Sheila Go and Cassandra O.
Yes, that's true.
Sir, gaano ka-importante po ito dun sa...
Yun nga, the connection is there. It proves the connection between Bamban and Porac. The Bamban and Porac operations.
Sir, yung cancellation of passport, ano po ba ang magiging procedure doon, sir?
Ano yan eh? We cannot cancel, kasi wala naman summary cancellation of passports eh. We cannot summarily cancel a passport because it is a document vested with rights. No? Now, it was not found advisable also to treat it summarily, because if the passports are cancelled immediately, then how can you make them travel back to the country? You will have to issue a travel document which should be an admission that they are Filipino citizens. So it's something that's a little tricky. That's why we decided, to our best judgment, we just follow the law on the cancellation of passports, which we'll do later.
Sir, pauuwiin itong Sheila Go and Cassandra O, ganun po ba yung mangyayari?
Yes. Because they're passport holders where we have a suspicion that these were fraudulently obtained or obtained through fraudulent means. Then we have reason to make them go back.
So parang yun po yung legal basis ng pagpapauwi?
And actually, I have to check that out with immigration, what basis they use. But I would say that is a connection that's very important.
Sir, na-report na rin ba sila, sir, sa Interpol?
That's as far as I know, it's the DFA that reported these passport holders in the Interpol.
Yung pagpapabalik po kay Alice Go, ano po yung parang magiging pinaka-legal basis po doon?
Yun nga, kaya nga I said that I have to check out things because I will be in consultation with the immigration people at 1:30 later.
Sir, sinabi ni President Marcos that heads will roll dun sa mga agencies na
Yes.
So far, sir, ano yung balak nating investigation na gawin doon?
We just have to wait for the process to roll. We cannot answer these things as if they happen every day. Hintayin natin yung proseso.
Sir, alam na ba natin kung paano talaga, sir, nakaalis ng Pilipinas?
Yun nga yung tinitingnan pa natin. Kasi, definitely, kaya sila nahuli, ginamit nila yung Philippine passport sila paglabas nila. Kaya sila nahuli.